Today I am reviewing Amazon Fire TV Cube 2025. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Amazon Fire TV Cube has always been one of the most powerful streaming devices on the market, but the newest model takes things to an entirely new level. Amazon has built this cube for speed, versatility, and convenience, and when you start using it, you immediately notice just how fast and responsive it is. Powered by an octa-core processor, the Fire TV Cube is now 2 times as powerful as the Fire TV Stick 4K Max. That means lightning-fast app launches, smooth navigation, and zero lag when switching between different streaming platforms or apps. If you're someone who hates waiting for things to load, this device will feel like a breath of fresh air. One of the standout features is its completely hands-free Alexa integration. Unlike other streaming devices that require you to press a button on a remote, the Fire TV Cube has a built-in microphone and speakers, which allow you to control your TV, soundbar, or receiver with just your voice, even from across the room. Imagine being in the kitchen while your favorite show is playing and just saying, "Alexa, turn up the volume," or "Alexa, switch to Netflix." It works seamlessly and makes the experience incredibly convenient. The enhanced voice control also extends to smart home devices, meaning you can check your cameras, adjust your lights, or even start a video call, all directly from your TV screen. Another big upgrade is the AI-powered Fire TV Search. This is one of the smartest search systems we've seen on a streaming device. Instead of just typing in a title, you can now search by actor, genre, plot, or even iconic movie quotes. For example, you can say, "Alexa, show me action movies with car chases," and it will pull up results instantly. This makes discovering content far more enjoyable and saves you from endless scrolling. For movie lovers and binge watchers, this AI-driven feature really changes the way you find and watch content. When it comes to picture and audio quality, the Fire TV Cube delivers a premium cinematic experience. It supports true-to-life 4K Ultra HD resolution along with Dolby Vision, HDR, and HDR10+. Combine that with Dolby Atmos audio support, and you get an immersive, theater-like experience right in your living room. Whether you're streaming a blockbuster on Prime Video or playing a 4K movie from another app, the visuals are sharp, the colors are vibrant, and the audio is deep and rich. Connectivity is also a strong point. This is the first-ever streaming media player to feature Wi-Fi 6E support, which ensures faster, more stable streaming with less buffering. If you have a modern Wi-Fi 6E router, you'll really notice the difference, especially if you're streaming in 4K or gaming on cloud services. And if you prefer a wired connection, the Cube also has an Ethernet port for maximum reliability. Amazon also includes multiple ports like HDMI in and out, a USB-A port, and an IR extender, giving you flexibility to connect it with other devices such as gaming consoles or cable boxes. This makes it more than just a streaming device. It's a true entertainment hub. Of course, content is at the heart of any streaming device, and with Fire TV Cube you get access to over 1.8 million movies and TV episodes across countless apps and platforms. From Netflix and Disney Plus to Peacock and Prime Video, nearly every major streaming service is available. You can also enjoy millions of songs, podcasts, and other media. And because it integrates tightly with Alexa, you can also manage subscriptions, control playback, and even ask questions without interrupting your viewing. Privacy is another area where Amazon has taken user concerns seriously. The Cube is built with multiple privacy protections, including an off button that electronically disconnects the microphones. If you want complete peace of mind, you can turn off voice listening entirely and still use the device with the included Alexa voice remote. The design itself is compact, sleek, and modern, so it doesn't take up much space in your setup. It comes with 16 gigabytes of internal storage and 2 gigabytes of memory, which is more than enough to handle apps, updates, and your preferred configurations without slowing down. Despite packing so much power, the Cube is lightweight and blends well into any living room or home theater. For accessibility, Amazon has included features like Voice View Screen Reader, Screen Magnifier, text banner options, and support for closed captions and audio descriptions. This ensures that the Fire TV Cube can be enjoyed by as wide an audience as possible, including those with vision or hearing challenges. Overall, the Amazon Fire TV Cube isn't just a streaming box. It's an all-in-one entertainment powerhouse. It's faster than any other Fire TV device to date, smarter with AI-powered search, and more convenient with truly hands-free Alexa. Add to that the excellent 4K and Dolby Atmos support, Wi-Fi 6E connectivity, robust port selection, and wide app availability, and you've got a device that can easily replace multiple gadgets in your living room. For anyone who wants a future-proof, high-performance streaming and smart home hub, the Fire TV Cube is one of the best investments you can make today.